Well, y'all, we're out here on open pond today, and we've been here, oh, I don't know, a couple hours now. I've had one bite, dragging a 7.5 inch culprit through the deep water down there, and I had one bite, felt like a small one, and I missed him, or he spit it out. It has been a tough week trying to get enough footage together to get a video out. I've always said I wasn't going to post skunk videos, but this is the fourth time I've been this week trying to get a video together. I went last Monday to Geneva County Lake, and right off the bat I caught a beautiful little, about a 2-pound bass. And I thought, well, it's going to be a good day. And it turned out that was the only one that I caught. One bass does not make a good video. There's one. He's going to take me for a tow. It's a nice fish. Let's see if we can get him up over here. Oh, I'll take him all day long. Chunky, healthy fish. Boy, he's pretty. He's probably 2 pounds or so. Fat, thick. Good way to start. At least we didn't get skunked, huh? Let's leave that. He gone. So my wife and I came back down here Tuesday. There's another little lake about a 1/4 mile away that we went to, and I caught a really nice bluegill there, and she caught one bluegill, and that was it again. There's one. Don't feel like a crappie though. Big old bluegill. Oh, look at that, huh? Isn't he pretty? Hey. Isn't he pretty? Come here. Hey. Let's send him back home. Well, that's a pretty fish. He gone. So Wednesday and Thursday we were tied up. Friday we went back to Geneva County Lake. And pretty quick on after we got there, I caught another little bass about 2 pounds. So I said, well, maybe we can do better than the last time we come out here with it. There's one. Oh, he's a nice one too.
yourself. Oh, what a pretty fish. This one looks almost just like the one that I caught the last time I was here. He's a black, healthy, chunky, fat, nice fish. Let's get him back where he went. He gone.
And it wasn't but just a little bit later, maybe 15, 20 minutes later, I hung a bass that must have been, oh, she was probably 7 or 8 pounds. And I pulled her out of a brush pile and had the fish beat. She was just about up on her side, and I was reaching for her to land her. And the wind changed on me. It was real windy that day. The wind changed and blew me right back toward the brush pile. And I tried everything I could to keep her out of it, but she seized the opportunity and dashed up into the brush and wound up breaking me off.
He's heavy, or heavier than I've been catching. He's a stud. What a pig. Get out of there, get out of there, come out there, come out there. Oh, he got me hung up. Right in the wind, too. Let's see if I can get back up there to him. He's still in there. Oh, I broke off. Damn. That was probably a 7 or 8 pound fish.
And that was my last white spinnerbait that I was throwing, so I paddled across the lake. There's a bait shop there at the lake. And I paddled across the lake, walked up to the bait shop, and bought their last 2 white spinnerbaits. Went back, tied on again, and I wound up catching, I guess, about a 5 pounder or something like that. And I figured, yeah, she would look good on video. It turned out when I got out to walk across to the bait shop, I had turned my cameras off, or turned my rear-facing camera off, and didn't turn it back on when I got back in the kayak. So all I got of that catch was audio off my front-facing camera.
Oh, that's another big one. Oh yeah, that's another really nice one. Come here, come here. Get up in here. That's what I'm talking about.
It has been a run of bad luck, a series of unfortunate events, and a comedy of errors all at the same time, trying to get enough footage together to make a video. All right, Killer, you ready to go? I think we've done all the damage we're going to do here.